How to copy your Spotify profile link on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy your Spotify profile link on your iPhone. So let's get into it. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up Spotify app on your mobile phone. And then what you guys need to do is you will have to click on this gear icon at the top right corner, and it will open up the settings for you. So here you have to click on view profile. It will take you to your Spotify profile on your phone. Now you have to click on these three dots, click on share, and now you can see we have the copy link option. This is going to be the first one. Click on copy link and you can see copy to clipboard. Now you can share this link anywhere you want using your phone, and this is how you can copy your profile link on iPhone. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.